Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me today with the making of Tiramisu Soap by Morfosoaps. I know it's exciting, it's very delicious. I love tiramisu myself, so I hope you enjoy this design of the soap. So I started off by mixing all my oils together. So coconut oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, olive oil, castor oil with the additives, which is kaolin clay, colloidal oatmeal, and then we have also aloe vera juice and coconut milk. We mixed everything together. We added the lye water solution. We got the batter into emulsion, and then we started dividing. So this is the first layer. I kept it non-colored because the fragrance oil I'm using also should discolor a little bit. So if it darkens this a little bit, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. And then I used some mica to be dispersed on top to create like a mica line in between the layers. And also I textured the layer with a spoon so that it gives a little bit of design inside the bar. Now the second layer is more white, so I added here titanium dioxide dispersed with oil. And usually when you use titanium dioxide, you should stick blend. As you can see, the color changes like significantly. And then I added the fragrance, and I will pour on top of the previous layer. And then I'll move with the third layer. And then after I pour this one, I will, like I said, I will be pouring the third layer on top, which is again non-colored, without any color added to it. So, and just adding the fragrance and then pouring it on top. And then after the third layer, I will have a little bit of white to just plane the top, and then pipe it with white piping as well. So this soap turned out really nice. I will put at the end, after the cut of the video, some of the pictures of the end bars after 4 weeks of cure. You will see that even though I used a coffee fragrance, coffee vanilla fragrance, now it was surprisingly well maintained. I mean, the colors, they did not discolor tremendously. And also the bar looks really delicious and edible. So I really hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up. I forgot to mention how we finished the top. You will see it in the pictures. So I wanted to give it a powder look to the top, which is with the ground coffee. But instead I used some brown mica dispersed in alcohol. And then, you know, when the alcohol will evaporate, the mica will stay on top. And it was a successful idea. And you will see the bar, how it has that brown powder look to it on the top. So thank you again for taking the time and watching the video. If you're not subscribed and you're interested in watching me making soap, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Saturday morning one new video for one soap being made. And until next week, I'll see you again. Stay safe, take care of yourself, keep smiling, always be positive. Bye for now.